pumpkin cream cold brew and some bacon egg bites. Really wanted the apple croissant, but they were out. Tragic. We're doing Ross and TJ Maxx today, and then we're going back to the apartment, doing a little bit of packing and cleaning. And I really wanted to finish building that vanity and moving all my skincare and makeup over to the new house, but my parents are coming over with the trailer so we can move the couch and the coffee table. I don't think we're doing the bed. I think we're keeping the bed there as long as possible, because Dan's air mattressing at the new house, but I don't want to be at the new house if there's no internet. I need the internet for school stuff, and we have the apartment lease till the end of October. So hopefully the bed stays and the majority of the big things continue off to the house, because I can live with no coffee table or couch or stuff like that. We'll see what happens. Let's go to TJ Maxx and Ross. Pretty boring shopping day. Nothing that exciting. Let me show you. From Ross, I got a new corner shelf thing for the bathroom. The one I have is too small for my water flosser to fit on, and it's kind of gross, so I just figured I'd get a new one. Ooh, $12. Bought the bag, because again, moving. At TJ Maxx, a $4 grout cleaner, a really cute cardigan, and then a little boo shirt that's sequin that I couldn't resist. Yes, cheap. Okay, so we are at the mall. I think it is my month for my ring to be cleaned, and if it's not, I might be over the warranty, which isn't a big deal because I honestly don't wear it very much. I wear the plastic one, or I just don't wear it at all. The stone just like sticks up too much. What up? Hey, I see you everywhere now. I've been in full Christmas mode here since the end of August. Maybe we'll get a Christmas tree this year, or maybe it'll be something like this. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm not very good at remembering what month. I think it's every 6 months, and I swear I put it in my calendar, but then I look for it and I can't find it, even like searching Cajal or which is where it's from, and nothing. So there is a stone that was loose in my ring. I was 6 days overdue, but that was fine because the stone wasn't out. I guess if the stone was out, then I would have to pay for it, but because it was just loose, it's fine. It's still under the warranty. So they're sending the ring out to fix it. And when I was in the store, I got my lunch. I got a little stir fry place that I like. And then I stopped by Bath and Body Works because they have the $4.95 full-size fragrance mists. And these are two that I don't have. It's the Midnight Spell, the Halloween collection, and then also the Vampire Blood Halloween collection. I have enough of these that I only buy when they're on sale. So let's go home, eat, get cleaning, and get deciding what we're bringing to the house. We prioritize what I wanted to do. I wanted to spend today like building that vanity, but I'm thinking my priorities are gonna have to change. So that's okay. Okay, here we have Monica's seasonal closet and the rest of the man cave that is still here. It's weird because it's so empty I can hear my voice echoing around me, but I thought I would show you my outfit of the day before I change. So this cardigan is so cute. I just bought it at Walmart the other day for $18. The knit pattern is so nice. Shirt is Shein. These are the Victoria's Secret style yoga pants. These are quite old. Like whenever yoga pants were last in style, maybe even 10 years ago. I like these because they come in a long version. And then I have the, is there a price tag still on there? Yes, there is. These are the bear paw version of the platform boot. So in my opinion, very similar, just without the little Uggy thing right here. And according to the sticker that's still stuck on here, I only paid $33. But we're gonna change and get busy. So a little bit of a disappointment when I walked in. I was kind of secretly hoping that Dan would get to work on my vanity, but no, he didn't. You young lady, have you been being nice to my stuff? So I brought the vacuum over so I could do another quick vacuum of this closet, and then I'm gonna fill it up, even though, yes, the yellow up there is still kind of crappy looking, but honestly, nobody I know is tall enough and cares enough to be looking in a closet. And if we really care, we're planning on redoing this closet situation whenever we get around to doing the closets in the bedroom. So it's not a big deal. So I've got my thing from Ross. I brought the vacuum over, and then I brought over my leftovers, and I was thinking that I might as well bring some of the food sauces and stuff that Dan eats that I don't, which is quite a lot. Okay, I'm used to the handle being right here. That's weird that it's right here because it's pretty empty in here. Ooh, my favorite. Cheyenne, you are the whiniest whiner I know. just like chunks of flooring everywhere. But I'm thinking this one will be like where I'm doing like skincare, brushing my teeth and stuff, so I would prefer to have it in here. Still very excited about this. And yeah, Dan's been hard at work. I don't remember if I mentioned this before, but this is the only chunk of the subfloor that he's gonna have to fix. Everything else is satisfactory. Hello! Here's the apartment situation. Here we have my clothing, which came out of the cube organizers in the room. Our cleaning pile. The bags that I've been using this week that I've just left here in the middle. A giant pillow and radio going to the new house. Clean laundry. And this is what I want to work on, is the makeup situation. These are Christmas gift bags that I already have put together, and the shoes. So that's what we're going to work on right now, packing up and getting ready to go. These should just fit right in those closets, so it should be good. And this is a piece to the litter box that Cheyenne doesn't use, so we can toss that. One shoe rack down. It's an expandable one, so it really saves a lot of space. And here's the shoe pile. Let's take a trip to the car. Okie dokie, we've got shoes, Cheyenne. Sorry, the flash is on. It's a bad video because it's dark in here. No lights. Yes, I know. I've said this before. But for those that are new here, there are some. We've got coats. We've got shoes. We're going to make this my, like, Nike tennis shoe closet. And then I'll do, like, sweaters, vests, that sort of thing. And then maybe, like, Dan's uniform jacket because he barely wears that. But that could go in this one. And then this one will be, oh, hello. This will be like actual winter jackets, like the winter hats and stuff will go up there. I have a bin of them around here somewhere. And then we'll do like all the snow boots type of thing down here. Dan only owns like 7 pairs of shoes, like dress shoes, sandals, tennis shoes. He's a minimalist and I'm not. That's why we work together. But Dan's stuff will probably just be in here somewhere in this garage section. I really, really hate these doors, and I don't know what our solution is for it yet, but we've agreed that we both don't like the doors and they're all old, so we'll either repaint or try to replace. I know, like, in the bedroom, we talked about doing like a barn door, you know, like the sliding kind, just to, like, maximize some of our space, but kind of just depends. So, here we go. Put some shoes on. My heart is just so happy. Yay, let's go get another load. And this stuff used to be in my actual closet, so it'll be nice to just figure out what I want to wear upstairs and then come down here and get my like jacket, coat, second layer, that sort of thing. Okay, here we have another load. So jackets, boots, and then this is all of Dan's like dressier shirts that are in my like teacher closet. And I'll just put them in with the coat closet for now. He's obviously redoing the closet in the main bedroom right now. It's crazy how just having the couch out of here makes everything so echoey. It's really becoming real to me that I have a house, and by, I don't know, the end of next week, we'll probably be fully moved in. Crazy. Okay, friends, hello. Happy Sunday. Just finished up at Walmart. And then I went to Starbucks because I deserve coffee. I have big plans tonight. We're going to be up for a while. My voice is echoing because it is so empty in here. This is going in the garbage because it's got a lot of puke on it. And Cheyenne, let's see if I can show you this without showing you puke because nobody wants to see that. Cheyenne's a big girl, and so she sits on it and it literally just goes, woo. So yes, we need a new one. I already have plans to go to Home Goods and get one once we decide where exactly we want them. So the one in the bedroom went into the man cave living room. And now it's just a matter of like deciding where the furniture is going that we have and like what our future plans are. And like right now, Cheyenne is just thrilled to have 3 floors to explore. So she doesn't really need a scratching post right now because she's declawed. But eventually she'll like to look out the window at the birds because she's a very nosy cat. I think the plan is to next week try to move out the bed and all of the major furniture. So like fully moved into the new house by next week. And that really depends on the internet because I cannot survive without internet. Thought I would show you what I got from Walmart. Let's put you down. So I decided to get some Funfetti mini pancakes. Yes, it's the box because it didn't fit in my cooler bag because it's just so box-like. Oh, but I hear the popo. Look how small and cute those are. And then I also got little egg bites. I like those. As I was checking out, I realized that this is a very freezer-heavy meal selection. The air fryer's still here. I could use the air fryer. So I really like these. So I got a Supreme and I got a cheese because I can't eat a whole pizza. And most of the time when we order pizza, we're ordering Pizza Hut because we like the breadsticks, or we're ordering Domino's because we like their wings. It's not necessarily for the pizza. I mean, Dan will eat it, but when it's just me here, because he's at the house all the time now, I don't eat a whole pizza to myself. And then I also got this to try. It looks basically just like a bigger egg bite. And then to continue our cleaning, I got these little magic erasers to start cleaning the walls with. Actually, this one's for the bathroom. This one's for the walls. Just cleaning the bathroom after I use it every single day. Just get off all those like little spots of like soap grime. Grabbed another cleaner because of the cleaners on this pile. It's an extensive pile. There's not a single one that's like a spray and wipe. It's all like a bleach cleaner, like you have to like use water, and this is just a spray and wipe. When we get to the house, I'll show you what was going on with the vanity. I screwed something in wrong and my dad had to fix it, but no big deal. We're gonna fix it a little bit. And then a bag of lettuce. Happy dinner to me for the week. Will I be at McDonald's? Probably. And we have a little bit of light. So here we have this beautiful vanity that my dad helped me build because I put the wrong kind of screws on the back of this. And then we couldn't get it off, so we really had to force it, and we ended up breaking it. We applied some wood glue, so I'm hoping the white paint will cover that. Good thing Dan is so handy and had some clamps. I don't know how to get this off. Okay, cool. Hi, Shishi. One thing I really liked about this one is it has its own light source. And I'm going to be honest, that was really just because I like to look at myself when it's nice and bright out, but also now gives this room a little bit of light. I don't have to have the ring light on all the time. So I'm going to start putting some of my makeup, skincare stuff away. Some of it will go here, and I think some's going to go in the bathroom. Hi, Shishi. So this is everything that was on the top of the desk at the apartment that I was currently using. Now that'll strictly just be a computer printer desk. And my Bath & Body air sensor freshener things were in here too. But I know there's a cup holder in here, and we need that. So here's a little bit of a before. Welcome to the real life. Bag of pajamas, donuts, top to a drawer. I ended up putting my Bath & Body scents in here, and then I'm hiding these paintbrushes from Dan because I know he'll want to take them because he likes them for his woodworking, but they're mine. Candle warmer, earrings, and the makeup mess. I'm really excited, though, that this Hot Tools tray fit literally perfect in there, and I've had that forever. I know I have a different container for this, and so that it could rotate easier, and then they would all actually fit. I just don't know where it is. Cheyenne is very interested in the process here, so I cleaned out all of these drawers, and then I came to the realization that I really have like nothing in here, because most of the stuff I think I'm going to put in here is still at the apartment, but up in here I did all of my moisturizers. And then right here, we've got balms for like makeup removal, a random hand cream, a shower cap, my foot scraper,
And Dan and I really don't have much for medicine, so we got a Vicks balm and a bug bite thing. This stuff is for the other bathroom. I'm going to do all like the acne and my serums and then anything like teeth related. Okay, I'm back at the apartment. I'm going to probably do a little bit more with my laundry. I've been kind of going through things and deciding, you know, how long has it been since I've worn this, and then deciding like if I'm going to get rid of it or if I'm going to, you know, go through the effort of bringing it all to the new house. So I'm going to continue that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.